Achieving the #1 position on YouTube requires a combination of strategic planning, quality content creation, and effective promotion. Here are 5 tips to help you reach the top spot on YouTube. Keyword optimization. 1. Research relevant keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or Vidic, or YouTube's own search suggestions to identify keywords related to your content. 1. Understand what your target audience is searching for. 2. Incorporate keywords naturally. Integrate your chosen keywords into your video title, description, and tags. 2. Make sure they are relevant and naturally fit into your content. 2. Try to put your keywords at the start of the title. Compelling thumbnails and titles. 1. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Design visually appealing and click-worthy thumbnails. 1. Use bright colors, clear images, and fonts that are easy to read even on smaller screens. 1. Check out canva.com for sample thumbnails you can change. 2. Best to have only a 3-word title, make it easy to read. Craft compelling titles. Write titles that are both descriptive and intriguing. Your title should clearly convey what your video is about and entice viewers to click. Check example in your niche and find the best titles to get ideas. You can always add the year at the end of the title. Engagement and interaction. Encourage likes, comments, and subscriptions. Engage with your audience and encourage them to like, comment, share, and subscribe. YouTube's algorithm takes user engagement into account when ranking videos. Respond to comments. Responding to comments not only boosts engagement but also signals to YouTube that your video is actively fostering a community. Video length and quality. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing content that is high quality, informative, and engaging. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube sees them as valuable. For example, learn a strategy or secret and share it on YouTube. Optimal video length. While it depends on your content, aim for a video length that keeps viewers engaged. Generally, videos between 7-15 minutes tend to perform well, but prioritize quality over length. If you want to get on the first page of YouTube, build yourself 10 videos that are just 3 to 5 minutes long and post them in your autoresponder. I use www.bestgetrespond.com. Consistency and upload schedule. Establish a consistent schedule. Regularly upload content to your channel and stick to a consistent schedule. This helps build anticipation among your audience and signals to YouTube that you are an active and reliable content creator. Do it every day and you will be #1 on YouTube. 2. I use www.bestpictory.com. That for me is the best faceless on the net. Promote your videos. Share your videos on other platforms and social media to drive initial traffic. The more views and engagement your video gets initially, the more likely YouTube is to recommend it to a broader audience. Remember, achieving the #1 position on YouTube is a gradual process. It requires ongoing efforts to improve your content, engage with your audience, and optimize your videos for search. Keep refining your strategy based on analytics data and viewer feedback to continuously improve your chances of reaching the top spot. To learn more about free traffic on Google Ads and YouTube, go to www.secretsofsuccess.com.